One of the things that people who are involved in fitness talk about probably more than anything else is consistency. I've been struggling with it a little bit myself lately. Let me show you why. It's winter and I don't have a great place to jump rope outside. Today I'm chucking the tech and I'm going to go old school in a hunt for a way to improve my consistency. Let's go. Got to get my boots on for this one. There's a car under here somewhere. I think they'll have what I need here. Oh, that looks cool. All I want to do is at the end of every day, write down what I did. All right, it's the end of the day. What did I do? Check. Consistency is key. It's what it's all about. Track your stuff. And yes, in Ohio, we wear flannel.